for researchers, that is the goal, that you make impact into the way in which this country and its policies are being constructed. So, that gives me great, it leaves me with some hope, really, that, finally we've got policy people who are coming to us and saying, do you have this research? We had an online symposium, and we shared with some policy people from MHUD our research that we'd invested in, and those researchers and their teams, they were just totally blown away. Now they just go directly to the team. And they will go through our archives to find that information. So for me, that is purposeful researching. And for our communities, we've got, books that talk about marae, and then there's, free whare designs that are part of a research package, right? So we're making it accessible out there first. It's not to, but I think you're right, Hope, in that we still have a long way to go in terms of getting the research in the communications of the impact of our research. So wherever, with the National Māori Housing Conferences coming up, we've got a big site there, and we are pushing the research. We are saying, look, have a look around. This is the research that we have supported, and here are the outputs. So they're online books, reports, housing designs, the whole gambit. And that, I think, in the end, has been the critical shift of the science challenge. Whereas, the goal for a researcher in yesteryear used to be a publication in your PBRF. Yeah. And our goal is that somebody's reading it from a community, or a community has picked up the book about homelessness at Te Puia and is thinking about that in their own communities.